Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Students, today let us learn about our country, India and different states, also respected capitals. Okay students? Students, do you know in which continent is India located? India is a part of which continent? India is part of the continent of Asia. Okay students, located in South Asia. South Asia में India located है. Okay, Asia is a continent. Okay, which includes India. Especially India is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay students? Okay students, now let us learn about the natural boundaries of India. Okay students, our country India is a big country. It is a vast country. Okay, see in northern part, see it is the northern part. Okay students, in northern part the Great Himalayas is the highest mountain range of India. Okay, Great Himalayas. Okay, it extended from the northwest to northeast. Idhar pura mountain range. Okay, highest mountains are there. Okay, it situates as a boundary of India. It situates as a boundary of India. ये इंडिया का boundary है. Understand students? Okay. Then this range is within include Pakistan because it is extended from north west to northeast. Okay students, see it is this range is within include Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan is there. Then China. Okay students, our country India, Nepal and Tibet. Okay students, the highest mountain peak Mount Everest and other near highest peaks are there. Okay, they are part of greater Himalayan ranges. Okay students? Okay, see students, the total west to east extension of Great Himalayas is 2400 kilometers. See यहाँ से यहाँ तक from west side to east side 2400 किलोमीटर में ये बहुत रेंज में हिमालयन माउंटेन्स है, माउंटेन रेंजेस है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? वेरी बिग, वर्ल्डेस्ट बिग माउंटेन्स आर देयर. Okay students, understand? Okay, now let us come to the southern part. Okay students? Okay, see students, most of India forms a peninsula. See what is the meaning of peninsula? Peninsula means it's surrounded by water on three sides. तीनों sides में पानी है. इसको क्या बोलता है? Peninsula. See, it is a Sri Lanka. It is a, what is this? It is a island. Island means four sides. See, surrounded by water on four sides. चारों तरफ पानी है, वो island है. Peninsula means three sides. Okay, surrounded by water on three sides. Okay students? Okay. Now see this natural boundaries. Now let us learn about the natural boundaries. Okay, in northern part Himalayan ranges are there. Okay, boundary, natural boundary. Now see southern part oceans are there. They are our natural boundaries. See in the east part, sorry, in the south part Indian Ocean is there. Okay students, see India is bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south. Okay, Indian Ocean on the south. See Arabian Sea on the west part, southwest part. Okay students, Arabian Sea on the southwest and the Bay of Bengal on the southeast. See Bay of Bengal, yes, southeast में. Understand students? Okay, so students, it is the natural boundaries of India. They are the natural boundaries of India. Natural boundaries. Understand students? Okay, then students, in the northern boundaries of India is Himalayas. Northern boundary में क्या है? Himalayas. Then southern part oceans are there in southwest, southeast, south part also. Understand students? Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Okay, now students, let us learn about our country India in detail, means about different states and capitals. Okay students? Okay, India has 28 states. See different colors are there na, they are different states. Okay students, and capitals. Okay, now all, then 9 territories, union territories are there. Union territories means small territories are there. It is under control of central government. Understand students? Union territory means they are administrated and controlled directly by the central government of India. There are some small part of territories, regions. Okay, ये central government का under है. Understand students? Okay, so it is So India has divided into 28 states and 9 territories for easy administration. Easily administration करने के लिए ये divide किया हुआ है. Understand students? Okay. The capital of India is the New Delhi. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Okay students? New Delhi. Delhi is the national capital of India. See this? Delhi located here. Okay. The capital, national capital of India is New Delhi. Okay. Now students, we have two forms of government. Our India has two forms of government. Okay. The central government and the state government. See, different states are there. Okay. Then central government take care of the whole country. पूरा country का कंट्रोल करता है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट टेक केयर ऑफ द होल ऑफ द कंट्री. बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट टेक केयर ऑफ द रेस्पेक्टेड स्टेट्स. एक एक स्टेट में एक एक मिनिस्ट्री है. ओके, एक एक मिनिस्टर है. चीफ मिनिस्टर आर देयर, देन कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स ऑल्सो देयर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, then union territories are there. Okay, now let us learn about states, okay, and capital. See students, what is this? First of all, in the north at the top, what is this? Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and Ladakh, it is also part of Jammu and Kashmir. Students, Jammu and Kashmir was a state, but Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are newly declared union territories. अभी declare किया हुआ है. It is a union territory. Okay, it is a union territory, not state. Okay, okay. Now below that, Himachal Pradesh is there. Okay students, what is this? Himachal Pradesh. Capital, what is the capital? Shimla. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Okay students, now below that, Punjab and Haryana is there. See, Punjab and Haryana. Okay students, okay. Chandigarh is the common capital of Haryana and Punjab. Joint capital hai. Okay students, administration is there only in Chandigarh. Okay, then see, Uttarakhand is there. Uttarakhand, okay, state hai. Then Dehradun is the capital. Okay students, now below that, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is there. Now capital Lucknow. Okay, before above that, Delhi is there, national capital of India. Okay, now see this, Rajasthan state hai. Okay, Jaipur is the capital. Rajasthan capital Jaipur. Okay, now students, let us come to the eastern part. See, Bihar. Okay, state Bihar. Then Patna is the capital. Okay students, then at the top, see, Sikkim is there. At the top, a small state, Sikkim. Then what is the capital of Sikkim? Gangtok. Gangtok is the capital. Okay students, then see, at the top side, eastern part, Arunachal Pradesh is there. Capital Itanagar. Okay students, okay. Now see, Assam is there. Dispur is the capital. Then Meghalaya. See the Meghalaya, capital Shillong. Understand students? Shillong is the capital. Now students, Nagaland. See the Nagaland. Nagaland is there. Kohima is the capital. Okay. Then students, Manipur is there. Manipur is there. Capital Imphal. Okay students. Okay. See, Mizoram. It is also a state. Okay. Aizawl is the capital. Okay students. Now, okay. Tripura. Tripura is the state. Then Agartala is the capital. Understand students? Okay. Now see, West Bengal. West Bengal is the state and Kolkata is the capital. Okay students. Then Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the state. Then see students, Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital. Okay students. Now let us go to the western part. See, Gujarat is there. What is this? Gujarat. Capital Gandhinagar. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. See, in the middle, Madhya Pradesh. Our state, Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. Okay students. Okay. Now below that, see this, Maharashtra state. Mumbai is the capital. Okay students. Okay. Now see this, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the state. Raipur is the capital. Okay. Chhattisgarh and capital. Okay. Chhattisgarh and Chhattisgarh state. Raipur is the capital. Then Odisha state. Odisha capital Bhubaneswar. Okay students. Then Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, this Andhra Pradesh divided into Telangana also. Now it is two states, different states. Okay, but capital is same only. Common capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Okay, students, understand? Then students, see this. Next one. See Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the state. Capital Mumbai. Okay. Now Goa. It is the smallest state. Okay. Goa. Capital Panji. Okay, students. Okay. Panji. Okay. Now next one. Karnataka. Karnataka is the state. Then what is the capital? Bengaluru. Okay, students. See that. Then what is the next? See Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the state. Capital Chennai. Okay, students. Now Kerala. Kerala is the state. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital. Okay, students. Can you able to understand? Okay, they are the 28 states. Different 28 states of India. Okay, we have 28 states in our country, India. Okay, now let us learn about the union territories. Okay, we have 9 union territories are there in India. Okay, under the control of India. Okay, what is union territories? Union territories means it is administered and controlled by the central government of India, not by state government. Okay, see Andaman and Nicobar Island. Island means see 4 sides water. Okay, students, surrounded by water on the 4 sides. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, students, can you see this? Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, then see in the part of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry is there. It is also union territory. Then one more island. Okay, Lakshadweep is there. It is also union territory. Okay, students. Then see there are some territories, union territories. See Daman and Diu. Okay, students, Daman and Diu. Then students, Silvassa. Silvassa is there. Okay, students, Silvassa capital. Then Dandra and Nagar Haveli capital is Silvassa. Okay, Diu and Daman capital Daman. Okay, students. Okay, see what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Port Blair. Okay, then in Lakshadweep, what is the capital? See this, students. Then what is this? Kavaratti. Okay, Kavaratti. Okay, students. Okay, now let us go to the Jammu and Kashmir. It is also a union territory. Ladakh is the part of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, what is the capital? Leh. Okay, it is the capital. Okay, students, can you able to understand what I am saying? Then see this Delhi is also union territory. Delhi is also a union territory. Okay, students, then Lakshadweep hai, Ladakh hai. See Jammu and Kashmir hai, Ladakh hai. Okay, Puducherry. Okay, Puducherry is there. Then students, capital also Puducherry. Then Diu, Daman. Okay, Daman is the capital. Then Dandra and Nagar Haveli, capital is Silvassa. Lakshadweep. Okay, Lakshadweep is here, capital. What is the capital? Kavaratti. Okay, then Andaman and Nicobar Island, capital Port Blair. Okay, students, now can you able to understand? 9 territories are there. Then 28 states are there. Now students, you can draw this. Okay, try to draw this Indian map. Okay, then you can color and mention the states and capitals. Okay, students. Okay, good.